Need English? Do not just switch. Ask first. A short permission phrase keeps the scene polite before you switch languages. Nihongo EXP, Quest 9. Aigo demo 2 desu ka? Quest 9-1. Ask before switching. Aigo demo 2 desu ka asks if English is okay. It is more polite than suddenly switching languages.
英語でもいいですか？すみません。わかりません。
Quest 9-2. Repeat, English or I don't know. If you need English help, ask permission first. If you miss the Japanese, ask for one more time. If you still do not understand, say it clearly. Use Aigo demo 2 desu ka when you need English help. Start with sumimasen to get attention before the request. If you only missed one line, ask for a repeat before asking for English. Now, Ichido onegai shimasu asks for the same Japanese again. Aigo demo 2 desu ka asks to switch languages.
Mini dialogue.
You ask for help at a station. Listen to the scene, then repeat once.
すみません。英語でもいいですか？
Excuse me plus permission equals polite help request.
Quick check.
You need English help at a station. What do you ask?
Correct.
A. Aigo demo 2 desu ka? Ask if English is okay.
英語でもいいですか？
Mistake clinic. Suddenly switching to English can feel abrupt. Mistake clinic. Starting in English without warning can feel abrupt. Use sumimasen, then ask if English is okay.
英語でもいいですか？
Battle start. 3 help scenes to clear the quest. Question 1. You need English help at a station. What do you ask? Answer. A. Aigo demo 2 desu ka? It asks if English is okay.
英語でもいいですか？
Question 2. You missed one Japanese line, but you might understand if they repeat it. What do you say? Answer. A. Mao ichido onegai shimasu. Ask for one more time first.
もう一度お願いします。
Question 3. You still do not understand. What clear learner line can you use? Answer. A. Wakarimasen. It clearly says you do not understand.
わかりません。
Today's rule. Need English help? Ask before switching. Final shadowing. Listen, repeat, then one more time.
英語でもいいですか？英語でもいいですか？英語でもいいですか？英語でもいいですか？
Nice.
You cleared Quest 9. Next quest. わかりません. Say you do not understand. Subscribe to keep leveling up.